We have a crepe myrtle bush. We cut it back to the ground level every year because the new growth always comes from the roots. The root area expands to a greater diameter each year, and we have noticed there is no new growth in the center. The plant is now a ring shape. Can we split the root ball of our crepe myrtle bush in half? Then we could replant the removed part in a different area. This is Susan from Central Illinois. All right, so it's a lot of things going on here, right?
Yeah.
So Susan, guess what? Joellen just happens to be from Central Illinois.
Yes.
So we're going to start with her first, right?
Yes.
So yeah, this is pretty good.
This is good, and yes, she can dig it up and divide it.
Okay.
There is one little caveat. If any other part,
All right.
she's in zone 6 or 5, 6, and zone 6 is about the northern edge of where crepe myrtles live, and they tend to be perennial there, which is what obviously hers is because it dies back every year.
Right.
But in Illinois, they will measure the frost level at the 4-inch level, and the majority of roots grow in 2 to 4 inches of soil. So, yes, you can divide it. Yes, you can replant it, but wait until spring in the growing season because I don't want the cold to harm the perennial crepe myrtle.
Okay.
I don't want it hurt. And if it's going to be disturbed and you're going to move it in a new place, I'd rather give it the nice growing season to be able to establish there and not just before winter, which is a little bit different from what you normally would think is fall is the time to divide and the soil is still warm. But I just don't know if it will be, because it's a crepe myrtle, it's up at the northern end of its range, if that would be a good idea to do and wait until spring and divide it. But yes, divide it and put it other places and enjoy.
Split it, okay, and enjoy. So what do you
Good
think about
luck
that?
with splitting the thing,
yeah,
though.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking about.
Yes.
Yeah, that's gonna be.
Yeah, it's going to be a job, but yeah, I mean, I defer to her. She's the Illinoisan.
Okay, but you definitely have to get enough.
Got to get enough
of
roots.
the roots, right? Yeah.
Yes.
But yeah, splitting it, it's gonna be a
she's
chore.
going to need a...
Yeah, but I can appreciate, somebody wanted to
Sure.
try this.
Yes.
you know?
Yeah.
Oh, so wait till the spring.
Yeah, I would wait till the spring.
Okay.
Because
All
of the
right, good planning.
northern climate that it's in.
All right, so there you have it, Susan. Yeah, all right. Yeah, Central Illinois, all right. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.